slowly slipping away, but all he ever wanted was to love you again. Breaking all your promises day after day, but all she ever wanted was to love you again.